In this lesson, we'll use a reference triangle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals negative 300 degrees. For the first step, we sketch the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. And then because the angle is negative 300 degrees, we rotate clockwise 300 degrees. So we have negative 90 degrees, negative 180, negative 270. We need to rotate another negative 30 degrees. Should be approximately here. This would be the terminal side for negative 300 degrees. And now we'll label the reference angle and sketch the reference triangle. The reference angle is the acute angle formed from the terminal side of the angle on the x-axis, which is this angle here. Notice this would be 60 degrees. This indicates we have a 60-degree reference angle. And now we'll sketch the reference triangle. To do this, we select a point on the terminal side of the angle and sketch a vertical segment to the x-axis, let's say here. And this is the reference triangle. Notice we have a 30, 60, 90 reference triangle. Because we're in the first quadrant where x and y are both positive, we can label the short horizontal leg positive 1, the longer vertical leg positive square root 3, and the hypotenuse 2. And now I can use this reference triangle to determine the trigonometric function values. The cosine of negative 300 degrees equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is 1 divided by 2, or 1/2. Sine negative 300 degrees equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which is square root 3 divided by 2. Tangent negative 300 degrees equals the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side, which is square root 3 divided by 1, or square root 3. The secant function value is equal to the reciprocal of the cosine function value, or if we want to use the reference triangle, it would be the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side. Notice the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 divided by 1, or 2, and using the reference triangle, the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side is 2 divided by 1, which of course is also 2. Next, the cosecant function value equals the reciprocal of the sine function value, or using the reference triangle, the ratio of the hypotenuse to the opposite side, which either way gives us 2 divided by square root 3. Let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator. To do this, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 3. We have 2 square root 3 divided by 3. And finally, the cotangent function value, or the cotangent of negative 300 degrees, equals the reciprocal of the tangent function value. The reciprocal of square root 3 is 1 divided by square root 3, or using the reference triangle, the cotangent function value equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the opposite side, which either way gives us 1 divided by square root 3, which if we rationalize the denominator, we have square root 3 divided by 3. I hope you found this helpful.